Welcome to the bull run. Hope you didn't just get wrecked yesterday, as we had a huge market crash, not just between stocks, but also cryptocurrencies. And if you're in meme coins, you took a huge hit. We see UFD down. We see sub micro cap meme coins, degenerate trenches plays down 70, 80, 90%. We see millions of tokens being created every single week, and we have more coins than we've ever had because of applications such as Pump.fun. We see AI agent creators such as Virtuals, and then every other chain starts to copy. So Solana starts it, and then Base creates their own version, and now we have all these derivative of meme coins. Trump launches a meme coin. The First Lady Trump releases a meme coin. Celebrities like Ray Lewis start releasing meme coins, and we have a huge bubble that seems like it might be the peak, or maybe it's just getting started. And with a pro-crypto president and looking at cycles before this, it looks like this is just the calm before the storm. This is where the paper hands get shaken out and the diamond hands prevail. The institutions start stacking against you. This is where Chinese New Year has the huge sell-off right before the huge pump. February and March are historically known as super bullish months in cryptocurrency, and I would suggest that you have some goals and some price targets for these next 60 days of how you're going to profit, how you're going to take profit, and what your exit strategy is. How much in Solana, how much in USDC, how much in Bitcoin, how much in Ethereum. Do you think you're going to long Ethereum if you're an expert, or short Bitcoin when you think it's reached the top? Do you think you're just going to stay in spot positions? Let me know in the comments below. What type of trader are you? What type of investor are you? Are you looking for 100x short-term plays in the trenches, the degenerate meme coins on Solana? Or are you looking for high conviction plays like Ethereum, Solana, Sui, other first layer protocols? Or are you looking for AI agents such as AI16Z or AI XBT, which have taken huge hits, especially since DeepSeek from China being 100x more affordable, more reliable, faster and better, has caused a huge plummet in our tech sector as well. Stocks taking a huge hit, crypto taking a huge hit, and now we get to have a new phase in the market where things are consolidating. New cryptos, new memes that have been around for 6 months are seeing where the value is. This could be an opportunity for you to buy in low. Something like Mogcoin, which is down 1/3 the price since being at 1.5 billion, now at 500 million. Same thing with Popcat. You see these meme coins on the Solana ecosystem that have lost 66, 70% of their evaluation. Is it a good time to buy, or is it time to reinvest into BNB, Solana, and Ethereum, the less risky, but you will guarantee your 2x, maybe 3x. But with these type of coins like Pepe and Trump, you might see a 10x, with Brett 10x, with Popcat 10x, with Mog 10x. Let me know in the comments below. What are you doing? What's your strategy now that meme coins just got obliterated the last day? Are you in the trenches? Are you buying coins that are made every second? Are you buying coins that have been here for 6 months? Or are you buying coins that have been here for years and several cycles? Let me know in the comments below, guys. I wish you luck. You're going to make a lot of money this bull run. Make sure you take profits, and I'll see you on the next one.